Morning everybody. To anybody who's been following my YouTube channel, you all know about this 1973 RZ350 that I redid over the winter. Based on its story and how low the miles are, we decided not to put it on the road and keep it for more of a showpiece. Unfortunately, ever since then I've had an itch to ride an old Yamaha 2-stroke. So last night I went out and picked myself up a new toy. It's not quite the same, but it is in the same respect. So we'll just pan out here, and what we have is a 1986 Yamaha RZ350. All original, besides the DG pipes and braided brake lines. I'm really excited about this bike. It came the complete running. It was licensed on the road, so I'm going to go over it, but I'm not expecting too many freaky ghosts going on. If we'll just head over here, we'll turn the key. You hear the power valve actuators click on, which is always a good sign. Not sure if you could hear that. Anyway, this thing starts up like a dream. Give it one quick kick. Oh, maybe two quick kicks. And there you have it. Sounds great.